I'll see you in a little while.
Yeah.
It's really feeling like a Monday today.
Yeah.
We want to go back to sleep.
Yeah.
Don made me his own K-cup this morning with this little device.
They have this thing where it's like a little coffee filter, and you put inside of this, and you put...
It was really good.
Yeah.
It may have been the best cup I've had, so...
Right, so...
it can save money, but you gotta fool with it.
Yeah, it's a little effort.
Yeah.
Not bad, but some.
But Don's grinding coffee first thing in the morning anyway, so...
Right.
Alright, I'll see you in a little bit.
Okie dokie.
There's Ruby. I'm sure she's much more ready to go this morning than I am. Good morning, Ruby. It's 47 out there right now. We're headed to a high in like 51. It's going to be partly cloudy, so the temperature's just not going to change a lot today. It looks like a lot of leaves have come down over the last week. It's just kind of gray and a lot more bare trees out there this morning. I guess traffic's moving along okay. Tire pressure's looking good this morning. I'll run with the tire pressure up for a few days, and then when I'm feeling, you know, totally confident, I'll put it back over to energy. I don't like the tire pressure gauge stressing me out for too long. Alright, the tire tree is completed. But I think he's still working on the tire people. Off to the side behind there is the snowman looking tires, so maybe he'll move them out today. I got Johnny dropped off on time. I am over at the church parking lot regrouping before I drive back to Fuquay, spinning the Pokestop. The cat has been moved, the cement statue. It doesn't look damaged, it's kind of turned around. I guess we'll see where they relocate it or what they do with it while they're building. I'm just glad it's not damaged, and I'm hoping they'll resituate it someplace over there where it can still be enjoyed from this spot. Not too much on the calendar this week, but you know it tends to fill up as it goes. Tomorrow night there's ladies' night at the Garden Hut, and I've always wanted to go and I never make it, mostly because it's like at 6 p.m. when it's typical supper. But I probably still have enough leftovers that the guys can eat, even if I do decide to go to that. We'll see. We'll see what tomorrow's looking like. Whether Michelle and I shop tomorrow or shop Wednesday or shop at all this week, I don't know yet. And I don't know. That's about it. I think I'm going to stop at the Walmart in Garner on the way back to back home this morning. Got a couple things to look for and pick up. And I need to make some last minute decisions here on Christmas stuff. That would be good to get that all 100% sorted out. Looks like it's turning out to be a nice morning now. Hot Wheels display at this store isn't any better than the one in Fuquay. I don't know what it is that they can't fill the regular shelf, but then at the back they have all of these. It's just weird. So the Garner Walmart does not take recycled plastic bags. She says people come in all the time trying to find it, and this store doesn't have it. Go figure. And I found 3 blue Model S, but no Model 3. So last night I discovered that some of the blue Model S have Model 3 wheels on the rear. And those are errors and I guess printed. So I'm looking for those. I haven't checked all of the ones I have already yet, but these Don hopped up from his nap and said, I'm gonna go wash Ruby. And I was like, really? Wow. Hey, Don. Hey, Donnie. I did double check the radar, and it's just clouds. It better be just clouds, right? I've been Don's weather girl for a long time. I've always had an extra fascination with the weather when we were at work, so if you wanted to know what was happening outside, even when we couldn't see outside.
Yeah, no, my weather girl, she's good at that weather stuff.
Wow, look at you go, Donnie. That is one nice, clean looking car now.
Yeah, I did pretty good. I didn't get to do the black stuff.
Right, but you like to do that the next night anyway, after it really, really dries. So Taekwondo is early today.
Well, I'm going to go run here in a minute.
Are you going to run too? I didn't know.
Before it rains. I'm going to go run before it rains.
It's not going to rain. I told you it's not going to rain. Are you following me around, buddy? Hi. I just relocated him off the front porch. He was trying to get himself in trouble. Come on. Come here, buddy. Come on. I need my puppy dog kitty cat. Don't throw yourself down where it's wet, though. Well, it sure looks like rain out there, and there have been a couple of sprinkles, but nothing that would mess up the clean car. You know, it's more when the road is wet. But I'm a little stressed. There's a light rain shower coming into downtown Raleigh. That's right where I'm headed. So Johnny better hop in the car, and then we are flying back out of the city. Flying, I say. It looks like it's flying out there. It's very windy. I feel the car being moved around on the road some. Does look like I'm gonna make it back home. We had this little light rain that went across, then it wasn't hitting the ground. Unfortunately, Johnny's not feeling so great, so he's we're probably not gonna do Taekwondo tonight. Thought I'd let Dawn go in front of us. I pulled up and I've been playing 2048 while Dawn was doing the tires. I got a ways to go yet. 2436 it says is my best. So what time did the mailman come tonight?
5 minutes to 8.
Wow. Don says he's talked to him and we're like the second to the last person on his route.
I think this guy was the parcel guy. He was asked out running delivery, but he had that many parcels that his thing was just, we were one of his last stops.
Yeah, I really don't like it when the mail guy comes at 8 p.m. at night. That's a little late. All the cats was already situated. And
yeah, they're all settled in for all winter.
This is what he does. I perfectly loaded it. We don't have any real more dishes to go in there, and he's rearranging. He rearranges. That's what he does after I load the dishwasher.
I have a dishwasher thing.
I know you do. So what was in the box that came for me were hand-carved oak, hand-painted animal figurines and other holiday figures. Like there's an Uncle Sam and a scarecrow and a pilgrim in there. This guy looks very Christmassy, very religious. I like him. I'm going to have him out for now. Thanks to Squirrel Mom for sending me these heirloom family treasures.